Welcome to Sort LA, your one-stop shop for understanding how to recycle or dispose of items in the city of Los Angeles. Searching for an item is easy. Starting on the homepage, type the name of what you want to throw out, and the instructions on where to properly place it will pop up. If your search for an item brings up multiple results, just choose the one that's closest to what you're looking for. Some items may have special instructions at the bottom of the page, so be sure to read those instructions before you dispose of your item. If the exact word you're searching for doesn't show up, it may have a general option. For example, apple falls under the broader category of fruit. We welcome your input as well. Whenever you come across an item that's not included in our database, you can click the suggestion button, and our team will review it and try to add it as soon as possible. You can also click the language selection button to view the information in one of our 8 available languages. Sorting your waste is easier than ever with Sort LA. Thank you for watching and for doing your part for sustainability. Head to our website now and start sorting.